Guys, it's Maymay, and I have a little bit of disappointing news. It's not sad, it's not bad news, just disappointing news. So as you know, we are prepping, we are this week shipping out the Maymay Made It kits, and we are also shipping out Stamp Club today. Because of that, I have not been able to sit down and film. We have sort of bottlenecked. Everything has kind of hit us all at one time. And I think a lot of you guys know that we're working with like a skeleton crew. Like we have very few people working in very specific hours of the day. Like none of us work as one whole team right now because my kids have started back to school and we can't have other employees right now because we're trying to stay safe with COVID. It's so much going on. So Shannon and me and Brenda are the only ones packing. I thought that was Brenda telling us to let her in. It's not. Are the only ones packing kits right now. And so it's just a bad time for me. I cannot sit down and film. So here's what that means. Worst case scenario, I won't have a video out until next Tuesday. So a week from today. That's worst case scenario. Best case scenario is I take the day off, we get things done, and I'm back Thursday, Saturday's fine. That's my plan. That's what I want to have happen. But if not, I didn't want to just not put up a video today and you'd be wondering what's going on. I'm always telling you how things are. So that's the case. So we're fixing to head and get started again today. We're about halfway done with shipping the Make It kits. I'm really proud of how far we've gotten because when we planned this, we did not realize we would still be working with just me and Shannon. You know what I'm saying? Like, however, I will say this. Sylvia has packed 1,600 kits. Kim Dixon packed 300 kits, I think, for us. Everybody, Taylor packed kits. Like we've all been working. It's just been, now it's to the point where we have to put it all together and it kind of comes down to just me, Shannon, and Brenda. So thank you for your patience today. Like I said, I hope I'm back. What's this fingers crossed of? I hope I'm back Thursday and everything's back on track, but worst case scenario is we're back Tuesday. Okay? All right, guys. Love you very much. Thank you for your patience, and until next time, bye-bye now.